Hi guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss the next sorting algorithm and it is merge sort. Okay, first let's see what is the merge function do. Okay, it takes the start and end index in array. Like start and end index may be first first element to its mid, then maybe mid or like that. Okay, leave that aside. Let's think about the merge function like this. It takes the two input arrays and they are in sorted. Okay, like it takes the, let's take this L of I or R of J as two sorted arrays. Then it will combine those two or merge those two such a way that both are in sorted, or we can say like both combinedly are in sorted. Like here, let's take the example here, so you can see right my mouse. Let's take this 27, 38 and 343. Then if we combine this, they both, if we pass these two into this merge function, they both will be in correct sorted position like this: 3, 27, 38, 43. And now let's see this function. Each time it will compare, let's take the two pointers at 27 as I and at 3 as J. Okay, each time it will compare these two. Okay, and which is lesser, that will be at first position and that pointer will gets added, or that pointer will be increased. That means I is at its same position 27 but J is at 43. Okay, but 3 is already in the given array and other 3 are remaining. Now again we'll compare 27 and 43, which is lesser 27, so 27 will move into array. Okay, and the I pointer will get increased to this 38 position at 38. Okay, and again these both will be compared and these both will be placed in this array, and we are changing the array input array only, so we do not require any extra space. Okay, so you can observe, if L of I less than or equal to R of J, okay, then we have to increase I value. Like if 27 is less than 43, we have increased that I value, right? Like that. And K is position in array. We have to take another pointer in array to place this after sorting. Okay. Else array of K will be R of J. Right? Like 3. Initially K was 0 and J was 0. If we compare this I at 0 and J at 0, 3 is less than 27. So this will move into else loop and J will be increased. And array of that J will be 3. Okay, array of K. And we have to increase the K pointer also. Okay, we have to run this till we reach the end index, like till the length of the array. Okay, and after iterating, there may be the remaining elements in any one of array. Like here you can see 9, 82, 10. If we compare 9 and 10, 9 will be its first position and 10 and 82, 10 will be at second position, but 82 is remained, and like it is remained, there is no element in that array to compare, so we have to check the elements which are remain, and we will increase the K pointer and we will attach the elements of the remaining, or the remaining elements of any one array into the actual array. Okay, this is all about merge function. Okay, so we are sorting the two arrays combinedly. This is a merge function. And now let's see the merge sort function. Okay, let's take start and end. Okay, each time we'll divide this into two halves. Okay, like we'll take the mid pointer or mid value and we'll call this as end, and we'll start as remaining same and end as mid. Like this we'll divide these two into two halves, this one array into two halves, and we'll call the merge sort function on these two divided arrays, and we'll combine them, we'll merge them. Okay, like you can see, initial the mid value will be this 3, right? So merge sort of this will be called first. Okay, 38, 27, 43. Again the merge sort of this will be called. So again it is divided into two halves. Okay, and again this will be called first, 38 and 27. Again this is divided into two halves, and then merge function is called on these two, 38 and 27. Because at 38 the start and end is same, so we'll return directly. So this merge sort and merge sort will be written, and it comes to merge function. Okay, 38 and 27. So it will move into this array and it will combine those two. Okay, you got the point, right? Like I will explain clearly. See, when start is 0 and mid is 0, it is returned, and end is 1 and we got mid as 0, right? 1 1, and it will return. Okay, so next merge function is called, and it will take start as 0 and end as 1, right? It will move into this, then mid value will be 0. So L of 0 and R of 0, the length of both will be 1 and 1. So 38 and 27, right? These both will be get into sort position. Okay, next start to end, start is 0 and end is 1. So similarly, and after completing this will get returned to first merge function, this merge function. So again merge sort of this is called, right? Again 43 and 3 is divided into two halves, and again these both are combined to form 3 and 43. Again these both will pass into merge function. Okay, like here, start will be 0 and end will be 1 to 3, right? So mid will be 2. So the length of first one will be 2 and second right side one will be 2. So these both will be combined, and we'll take the space from, or we will change the values in array from 0 to 4. So that is why we are taking start 0 and end 4. And again this, after getting written back from this will move to this function, first function. Like we have completed this initially 0 to end. 1 second please. So right side function also will be get called. Okay, at last we'll get these two arrays, and these two arrays will be combined to form the sorted array. And this is the minimum time, this takes the minimum time complexity, like n log n. Like we saw selections, or the those all will take n square. Okay, this will take n log n. Okay, thank you guys, this is all about merge sort. Please do subscribe. Thank you.